Alright, bro, this is the boardwalk, all the way to Nature Trail. That's Julian up there, that's Alex, that's Justin, that's me. That's Ray, that's Chris.
Yo, look at here, look at here.
Alright.
Right now they're throwing boats on.
Oh,
They're littering boats.
how do you litter boats? Like,
Look at me. Crikey, mate. Alright, we're going to go in the winter. Where? We're going to the water. Crikey, look at that redneck. Oh, fucked up. Alright, mate. There's alligators and bass and all sorts of fish in here. There's squirrels. Look at the ducks. Look at the most venomous and dangerous creatures in the world. You guys gotta be careful. Yeah. If you don't want to, listen. Stick with me. Arachnid, you can pet it. Stick with me. I'm black. I know what I'm doing. If I see alligators, man, you were the first motherfucker to die on the anaconda. Man, fuck y'all.
dude, if this boardwalk breaks, I'm gonna be screaming.
There's a dingo in the water.
Oh my.
Don't make too much noises, you guys. You're gonna. Hey, the dingo ate Rod-Roy's baby. Screw you. All right. If that longboard gets heavy, I'll carry it.
It will be.
That is a turtle. If you get tired of carrying the longboard, let me know. I fish here sometimes.
You fish here sometimes? There's no fishing.
Right here, you numbnut. Alligator. Alligator.
Bro, there's no alligator. Bro, that's not alligator. Where?
Right there. Right there, you scrub nut. Can I throw it at it?
Oh, no, that is an alligator.
Right there. Yo, I need to know.
Mikey,
Bro, shut up.
It's a thing that looks like a tire.
Can't see it.
I bet it's like a plastic
Dude, what happens if one just came up from the boardwalk in the middle? Dude, don't even do it. Don't even do.
Hold on, hey, everybody, hold on right quick. Everybody, hold on. Zach, I'm gonna go get it. Shut up, that's my butt. Damn, your underwear absorbed your butt.
I'm videotaping, no?
I'm gonna go get it. I need a new belt, Mike.
This is the trade for a black belt.
That's gonna be my new PS3 cover. Like, you skin a big alligator just for that little piece of skin for your PS3.
Because PS3 rocks. Dude. Dude, there's gonna be an alligator. It's gonna pop up in the middle of the boardwalk. It's just gonna explode everywhere.
Even though you can stand up in this water, you'll still screw. Like, look, you can only see what's under you and like a few inches above you.
The alligator's moving.
Yo, look at this sign. It says "Do not feed or molest."
I hear my
Do not feed or molest gators. Cannot be tamed.